Hi, Dr. Russ here. Our self-paced program is designed to help you learn the proven fundamentals of cognitive behavioral therapy in an engaging way, while also using tools we provide to help you stick with the program. You'll use your dashboard as your home base where you can access everything you need at any time. Our program centers around 8 go-at-your-own-pace lessons. Many do 1 lesson per week, but you can choose the pace that's best for you. Each lesson provides a combination of ways for you to learn and be actively involved. The interactive exercises will guide you through setting goals and tracking your progress towards success. And we take your privacy very seriously. What you share during the program is always confidential. Our brief animations will teach you about the thoughts and behaviors that keep you anxious, with examples you can relate to, such as this one that focuses on Susan's behavior patterns.
Let's take the example of Susan. Susan has been invited to her company barbecue. Normally, she would avoid going to events where she knows people. But this is a work-required event, so she knows she has to attend. At the barbecue, she avoids making eye contact or carefully plans what she will say next as she pretends to listen to the person she's talking to. If someone approached her, she quickly takes out her cell phone to read a non-existent text message.
Most lessons will end with printable worksheets to complete between lessons. You'll periodically complete assessments that give you a clinically approved way to understand the level of social anxiety that you're facing. You can also select teammates who will receive notifications when you might need some encouragement or need someone to celebrate with. They'll also be given tips on how best to help you stay focused on your goals. Finally, you'll have an interactive calendar that shows our recommendations for how to schedule time each week to move through the program. Or you can create your own timeline. So that's a glimpse into how our program works. Regardless of where you're at, we're glad you came and are taking the first step.